I have something for you. Actually, from this, yeah, it's actually like the same.
Good. Looks good. The white, the red.
So comparing that to the stock one, stock one looks so boring looking. It's gonna be a big difference. What else is in the box?
So, we got this light. We got the wires, clips. Reading utensils.
And there's the wiring harness. Bada bing, bada boom. It's gonna match your rear end so much better.
Look at the colors.
Let's get ready for the install. Open up the clips. Using the biggest flathead screwdriver I've seen. Why? Alright, just get that out of there. And then we probably still need to get access to the, what's that called? The tail lights, so we can tap in the brake and then the parking, because the stock USDM ones don't have that. So there's 2 clips and 2 10s, and that's the only thing that's holding this bad boy in. I don't know why the stock one's like the middle part was light up. Hello. So I just got 1 10 out, and I'm trying to remove the second one. I'm trying to be careful so I don't scratch the lens. Ooh, looks cool. And you just gotta unscrew these 2 sockets out. I could have done it while it was up there, but I didn't have enough clearance. Right here, that's where the stock harness was for the reverse light. So we're just gonna have to unclip it. And then if you follow it, there's actually a little rubber garment that goes from this wire all the way here, and then it goes straight down. So that's how the wire is. You're just gonna have to take it off. So what are you doing right now?
Trying to get this clip into the hole so I can push the wire all the way in. It's a little bit tight though.
Mm-hmm. We did trim the rubber garment because we don't have a repin tool. We just cut it a little bit, and then we're just gonna squeeze it up, and I'm just gonna force it in. Just gonna force. Just gotta squeeze. Yeah, you just gotta stretch it a little bit.
A little bit hard.
It's a little bit what?
Nothing. It's hard to get in here.
Let me give you a hand.
Yes, please.
Alright. So this is the brake light function right there. Ooh. And then this should be the parking. Oh. And they match the taillights actually almost like very close. I would say it's like 80% there. Yeah. Awesome. So all the lights work. Let's just do the install and we should be done. So the stock harness has these two clips. What we're gonna do is transfer it to the new ones. That way the wiring harness is not going back and forth hitting the exhaust or whatever. So it's in there securely. So there's two mounting points. One's like right here and then one's right there. So we've got the wiring in there. We're just gonna put this bad boy on the bottom. We're gonna reuse the, not reuse, but there's new tabs that it comes with. So we're not gonna use the factory ones, we're gonna use the one included. These are screwed, so they're actually more secured. And yeah, we're just gonna pop it out, pop it in there. Let's do it. All right, my neck, my double chin. Not a young man anymore. All right, so putting this bad boy in. You want to match with the bottom tab, so it anchors on there, and then you can just work it in. So bottom tab. Just clear it up, pull it. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. We don't need to use protection.
Wow.
Take it off. Oh, careful. You don't want to scratch it at this point.
I know.
Is it working?
Yes. Solid in the book.
Perfect. Standing bright and white. So we have to wire this light. If you don't want to wire it, it's okay. We don't have to. And then what do you do? You want the third brake light or the fourth brake light? Let's do the fourth brake light. You have to talk. They can't see you nod. You can say yes.
Yes. Is that better?
Yeah.
Love you.
The blue wire goes with the green wire. The brown wire goes with the red wire. That's it. Blue.
Yeah, it's on. It's on. That's on. Everything's working. Woohoo! Light show. Wow. How long did it take us, babe? How long did it take you to do it?
Probably like an hour.
An hour.
Yeah. We're filming everything. We gotta clean it up. Should be good to go.
Looks very clean. I prefer these lights over the Valenti lights because of the way they look.
It's all red.
It's all red, and the Valenti ones, they have the chrome pieces on the bottom, which I don't think would match the Valenti Revos. So
I think the Valentis, they have the red one, but I like the white line, the red lens. But I like the clear lens, kind of like, because we're trying to match it with that.
which I think it matches perfectly.
Clean up the wiring. Gosh damn.